look at clue 1. We're going to choose values of x in between -1 and 1, not including the endpoints. So I'm going to want to check a positive value and a negative value. So let's say I let x be negative point, well, let's just say, negative 0.9. So negative 0.9 plus 1 over negative 0.9 minus 3. That is a positive over a negative, so that's less than 0. But what if I choose a positive 0.9? 0.9 plus 1, 0.9 minus 3. That's going to be a positive over a negative that's less than 0. And I might think about it just another second to make sure that makes sense. Yes, any value I choose between here and here is going to make the numerator positive, and any value I choose between here and here is going to make the denominator negative. So clue 1 works. Yay. Clue 2, okay, you got to choose x values where x squared minus 4 is less than 0, and that's only going to happen between -2 and 2, right? Any of those x values in there will, when you subtract 4, it's going to give you less than 0. So let's take negative 1.5. Negative 1.5. And I'm plugging it back in here. Plus 1 over negative 1.5 minus 3. So it looks to me like that's going to be a negative number over a negative number, and that makes that greater than 0, right? Now let's try a positive one. Plugging back up here. If I choose positive 1.5 plus 1 over positive 1.5 minus 3, that's going to be a positive over a negative, and that's less than 0. So sometimes it's less than 0, but other times it's greater than 0. It's got to be consistent all the time, so clue 2 doesn't work. Your answer is A.